Hi, good afternoon again. So now the shutter for the water channel is ready to install, and I break already the concrete on this post. So basically, can't stand. So this is the width of the channel, so which is which is 95 mil. As you can see, that's 95 mil width of the channel. So this is the face of concrete on this wall, and this timbers like a support, so that when we pour the concrete in here, so this is touches on this side of the concrete here. So now it's ready to install and put in a level. It's yeah, after I install it, I'm gonna clean and put some materials if necessary, especially on the top part over there. On this side here, so it looks we need to put some more materials, as well as here, I think all the way through, except from here to there, that we need to dig to get the proper level of 150 mil. Alright, so that's all about it for now, and I'll give you an update once I install this shutter or formworks. Thank you so much. Bye for now, and please be safe.